Hey YouTube guys, I want to share something that is probably not very common, but does occur. So I had some starter issues. Typically what would happen is, I'd go to start it and it would just kind of go and it would kind of hesitate. And, I thought it was the battery. Turned out to not be the issue. Um, all the starter issues out there usually kind of focus around the starter clutch. But anyway, this wasn't the case here. Um, so what had happened was I was doing my valves, and I basically, when I reshimmed this, I went a little bit looser on one of my exhaust valves, and that was a mistake. So I'm actually had to put the shim back in that was originally in there. So right now I can slide a 0.15 ml, back and forth. It's not super tight, so I'm going to assume that's probably about a 0.15 clearance, which is right in the spec between 0.14 and 0.18. But I made the mistake of thinking that if I made it a little bit wider and the valve seat a little bit, then give a little bit of a margin of safety. Anyway, that was a big mistake. So I ended up having to go back to the original shim that I had. And there's quite a difference in size between what I had put in there. So anyway, just kind of one of those things that can kind of catch you. And, I had to pay for a diagnostic to get this figured out. I wasn't aware of this, but just something that I'd wanted to share. So thanks, and thanks for watching.